I'm going to start the recording now. I'm going to change this. I'm going to change the 14 to a 16x. Okay, and then I'm going to change the 49 to a 64. Okay, and I want you guys to be able to help me out here. Let's go backwards. Okay, if this was the standard form, this is the perfect square, what would each one have to look like? What would each parenthesis have to look like? Do you guys remember how we got it? Last time we did 7 plus 7, and that got us 14. So what do we have to put here that's going to get us 16? What plus itself would give us 16? Beautiful. X plus 8. Does that make sense to you guys? Do you see like the pattern there? How'd you get 8, Jackie? How'd you go from 16 to 8? Okay, Matt sees it. So what'd she do, Matt? How'd you get from 16 to 8? Whoa. Added 8 to what? 8 plus what? 8 plus 8, right? Plus itself. Oh, now we're talking. Exactly. So the way that would work is what we really did is you just cut it in half. All we're doing is cutting the number in half. Remember the same step we did last time? Cut the middle number in half and then square it. Okay, that's what we're doing here. We're cutting the middle number in half, so instead of 16, okay, it's 8. And then we're squaring that whole thing. X plus 8 squared. Okay, over here we took 14, cut it in half. That gave us 7. All right, and then we put the squared on the end. All right, I'm going to give you another one now, okay? What about if I did plus 10? 10x plus 25. Beautiful. 5, x plus 5, right? We just cut the 10 in half. So whatever number I give you in the middle, you're just going to cut that in half. Okay, and that's the answer. So now we actually know how to go both ways. Okay, what we started doing, what we've been doing before was we would start here and then we would go to this, right? We were trying to find that shortcut to go from the 7 to the 14. 7 times 7 would be 49. Okay, so now, just like that though, we could start with this and go the other way. Okay, by just doing the opposite. Instead of doing 7 plus 7, we're going to cut the 14 in half. I'm going to stop that now.